Hello and welcome to 60 Seconds with Sergio. I'm your host, Sergio Cabanas, attorney at law here in Florida. Thank you for joining me today. Today's question is, Sergio, my spouse has been awarded alimony and I'm obligated to pay the spousal support. Can I use those alimony payments for tax deductions? Well, as a general rule, divorce matters involving payments are serious matters that need to be understood so you know how to maximize your situation, whether you're receiving the alimony payments or you're the paying spouse. The answer to that question is both yes and no, and let me explain why. Effective January 1st, 2019, there's a new tax law that states that any alimony awarded is no longer taxable to the recipient and not tax deductible to the paying spouse. Now, it's important to remember that this amendment is not retroactive. That means that any divorce that was finalized or any marital settlement agreement that was executed on or after January 1st, 2019 is covered by the amendment. In contrast, any divorce that's finalized or any marital settlement agreement signed before January 1st, 2019 will be governed by the previous tax law, where alimony is both taxable and deductible as long as it meets the requirements imposed by the IRS. So, going back to the question, the answer is yes, alimony is tax deductible if your divorce was finalized or marital settlement agreement was concluded before the effective date of January 1st, 2019, as long as it satisfies one of 7 requirements by the IRS. And the answer is no, it is no longer tax deductible, nor can it be considered an income if the divorce or settlement is concluded after this effective date. Normally, the taxability of alimony has been a bargaining chip during divorce negotiations. On top of that, matters relating to taxation is a different situation altogether. So, I suggest that you do your due diligence and understand where your divorce stands in terms of the taxability of alimony. Discuss the merits of your case with a qualified attorney before going into mediation so that you can get the best outcome possible from your divorce case. I hope this short video provided you some guidance over a very complicated but commonly asked questions about the taxability of alimony. Of course, this short video is not a substitute for an actual consultation with an attorney who can review the specific circumstances of your case. Thank you again for joining me today, and as always, stay informed so you can stay strong.